this park. Usually I come here and I chill myself here because this is very near to my college. So I want to share few things about this park with you. Let's start. And ఇక్కడ మీరు చూడండి few persons are sitting. వీళ్ళంతా old people. They come together, sit together and they will share their whole day. వాళ్ళ డే అంతా ఏం జరిగిందో ఇక్కడ షేర్ చేసుకుంటారు. I like this part so much. And ఇక్కడ చూడండి they are playing also some cards. And few students, or not students, few students, so many students were present here and I am also one of them. నేను కూడా అలా చిల్ అవుతున్నా టీ తాగుతూ. ఐఎమ్ అలోన్ బట్ దే ఆర్ సో మెనీ పీపుల్ అండ్ దే చిల్ ఎవ్రీ డే. నాట్ ఓన్లీ మెన్స్, విమెన్స్ ఆల్సో కమ్ టుగెదర్. kids also come to this park and students also will do group study here. And birds also, you can see n number of birds we can see here. And some women's do exercise, men's also do exercise. I like so much about this park and I won't do because I'm fit for now. So I like this part and few people play games and they chill their day here. You can see how people and how kids are enjoying in this park. I come here personally to look them only, not for myself. And here some world women's, they do kitty parties. They enjoy their evening here. Every day I see they come here, they chill their evening. And here few kids learning their karate, kung fu, whatever. So they are learning. I like so much these also in the park. And you can only, this is a society type park. The surrounded house people constructed these and they chill here. And here I saw two kids. They are like me and my brother, so I remembered my brother. That's why I captured this. And when I am leaving the park, I saw a people who is feeding the dogs. I see so many people like this who feed dogs. And here dogs are very friendly. I mean literally I was scared of dogs, but after coming here I am literally not scared. And my day never end without talking to my parents. And while returning to home I got a call from home, so I was chilling with my mom and parents. So
a few moments later,
and I came back to my room. There I did some meditation because in the park my eyes will be on them. I want to see everyone so that I won't feel alone. That's why I didn't do meditation in the park, and there was so much noise also, so I didn't do there. After coming to room I made myself relax sometime. After completing my meditation, I have started my first lot. In this lot I'm doing project work of my college and I have exam for my college, so I'm preparing for that also in this lot. So that's it for this lot. So I have done my first lot of 2 hours. I didn't shoot whole because I have some work with that mobile, and 2 hours means too lengthy video. Only beginning part of my slot I'm shooting so that I can share little bit. And I'm having my food. This is my dinner, rice and roti. After coming here, I have habituated roti because I won't like roti at all, but after coming here I'm eating so much roti. And beetroot also I don't like, but after coming to Delhi I have habituated roti and beetroot, carrot, fruits, and so many I have habituated. So this is my dinner today night. And what's your dinner, and how was your preparation going on? How was your studies going on? Do comment me in the comment section.
$2,000 years later.
Finally, I have completed my dinner. It is really a very big task for me, and I have started my second slot. Hindi slot, I am doing Telangana history because I am doing it for the first time. Being an Telangana student, it is mandatory for me to do this Telangana history, and it is mandatory to know key history and culture of Telangana. So I am doing it in this slot tonight, and that's all for today, guys. If you like my video, please do like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Hope you guys like this video, and this is not an informative video, but hope you guys like it. If you need any informative video, please do comment me, and I will do if possible. If not, I will try to do. And thank you so much, guys. That's all for today, guys. Bye bye. Take care. Have a nice day.